Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Take you what make a sentence website once again. And my brother Nuzrul Islam, he asking me, where did you go, Sarwar? And I told my brother, I went to the market. After that, he telling, why did you go to the market? Actually, we went together. After that, he asking me again and again. I don't know how he was joking with me like this. And I telling my brother, my dear brother, I went to market because I had to buy vegetable and fish. And now I would like to show you. Please watch and keep watching. I will show you everything. What did I buy? Okay. I had to buy fish and garlic. This one name is garlic and onion. This one I had to buy, and also I had to buy a cabbage, cauliflower. It's a very good for winter season. And this one name is tomatoes. Really, it's amazing. I like too much, and not only me, everybody like too much. That's why I had to buy this fresh tomatoes. This one name is potato. It's a new potato, not old potato. Everybody love a new potato. That's why I had to buy these potatoes. Okay, my dear brothers and sisters, please write down how is our market. And we have to know how to cut fish. And we already know how to cut a fish. That's why my colleague cutting fish, and he know how to cut, how to cook, and his experience is amazing. And I invited all of you, my dear beloved brothers and sisters, please come and please come and eat together. Tomorrow everybody will come, and I telling our address. I sitting, and we are already stay in Silet at Chauhatta, Root Bhavan Answer Camp. I invited all of you, my dear beloved brothers and sisters. Please come tomorrow, noon time, not morning time, not evening time. Please come tomorrow, noon time. I invited all of you for lunch. As you know, I'm an English learner. That's why I'm making videos every day or every single day or everywhere. I'm really sorry anywhere because I have to speak and I have to learn. It's my expectation. I'm appreciated because you are inspiring me day by day perfectly. And please pray for me. I also pray for everyone. If Almighty want, see you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.